Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a really quick one-eyed dolphin design. This design is going to be featuring Global Stroke Melbourne. I'm going to load my 3/4 inch angled flat brush with the white at the top. I'm going to go sweep right across underneath my eye and up. And just do a little dolphin nose with a little C stroke. Then again with the white at the top, just do a little wave, fill in that tail. Then for the fin, I'm going to use white on top, push down, and flick up. The bottom, white on the bottom, flick up. Then with my wolf white and my number 3 round, I'm going to load that brush up. And I'm going to do an eye first, and then I'm going to go over the top of the dolphin. Wherever that white was on my fun stroke, I'm going to go right over on top. Then with my wolf black and my number 3 round, I'm going to do exactly opposite. Wherever the dark blue, I'm going to line that along the bottom of the dolphin. Don't forget the tail, wherever that dark blue is. And then again, where the fin, wherever the dark blue is. Also, don't forget about that eye. I line the outside of the eye, and a little cheek area, and fill in the pupil. Then with my global dark blue and my number 4 round brush, I'm going to load that brush up. And I'm going to add a nice little swirl. And we'll add a few teardrops to fill in that area. I'm also going to add a few teardrops right under the dolphin to fill up that area. Going back to my wolf white and my number 3 round, load that brush up. Then I'm going to outline my swirls to add a little more interest. I'm also going to outline my teardrops. To finish off this design, I would like to add some glitter. To adhere my glitter, I'm going to use just a chapstick around the design. And then I'm going to use Face Paint Forum Shop's Chunky Glitter Butterfly Mix. This is actually a beautiful mix. It has some aquamarine, some white, some silver, and even a few speckles of black just to set off the design. And there you go, super quick eye design. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and have a wonderful day.